welcome to Beauty by Heart. I'm Leng, also known as Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you the 3 eye makeup looks created with the Paulina's Beauty. I'll be using this Paulina's Beauty in collaboration with Blushtribe. They relaunched this palette and I will also do a review coming up soon, and stay tuned for this. There are 9 colors, 9 very pigmented beautiful colors over here. You can create monochromatic look and also this multicolor look. So let's get started. And this is, I don't know whether it's the first, second or third look. Okay, I'll be using this. This is the Friends on the crease. Oh yes, before I start, I've already used this Essence I Love Stitch eyeshadow base. So blend it on the crease. Oh, just once swipe. It's very pigmented and blends out very easily. And next, picking up this Humble as the transition color. Just gently tap onto the color. Need not to work much because it's very easily blendable. And I'm going to cut my crease with this I Love Stitch from Essence because there isn't any much lid space left for other colors. And now I'm going to use my finger to pick out this shimmery green color solely and apply on the lid. On the entire lid. Oh, so pretty, so fall, so buttery without the oiliness. And use the little finger to blend to the inner corner. So reflective, so sheeny. Different layers of green, yellow green, emerald green, and now this is more to the bluish green, bluish grayish green. It looks a bit grey in the pen, but on the eyes it's more to the blue-green tone. Next, I'll be using this highlighter from Colourpop, Magnificent, their Super Villains collection, collaboration with Disney, and this is a champagne color with glitters. It's a shame that they have glitters over here. So I'm going to apply this over at the eyebrow bone and also at the inner corner because in this palette I couldn't find any light champagne highlighter color, so I'll just use a face highlighter color instead. Alright, so now I'll go off screen to apply eyeliner and mascara. No, not mascara, fake lashes. See you. Finally, I'm back. Again. Okay, now proceeding to the lower lash line, I will be using this Humber. Trying to use all the greens over here. And apply at the waterline. Oh, I just gently dab and the color is very pigmented. And last but not least, using this color again slowly and blend over here to soften the edges. And that's it. I'm going to use these Paulinas and use it over at the crease. Cool! So pigmented. Oh, such a pink look. Next, going to do a cut crease. Doing cut crease, I will have more lid space to apply more colors. For this look, I'm inspiring to do a 3 colors look, the pink, the purple and the green. Because I like these 3 eyeshadow colors, especially the purples and the greens. Pink can be quite tricky because if it's not suitable for our skin tone, it'll make our eye seams very swollen. And in fact, I think this is beautiful enough. Pink with lighter pink. Don't really wish to apply other colors.
Next, I'm going to use this humper at both ends of my eyes. I think I'm going to create another halo eyes again. And this green is beautiful. And followed by angel. Over in the inner, slightly inner corners, just apply at a very small area. Gently just tap on like this.
Next, I'm going to use my little finger to pick up this color tingling and apply in the center of the eyelid. The purples in this palette is really beautiful. I then spray my finger to pick up this color and it is very reflective. Hello, yes, I'm back. Applying the fake lashes and also the eyeliner. So now proceeding to the lower lash line again. And I will be using this color, Selma, on the waterline. Just gently dab on the waterline. Because usually for my waterline, I do not want a very thick layers of colors. I want it to be as fine as possible. But this purple doesn't seem to be very fine. And using this slowly to smudge this out in a very light, gentle motion, but the color is so pigmented. So when you blend, just be careful. Do not apply too much amount. Alright, that's it. This is the next look, so I'm going to use this angel on the crease. I really like this purple. This is Sama, so I'm going to use it on the eyelid with a finger. And use my clean index finger to blend over here. Love the purple. So next I'm going to use this aubergine. I keep pronouncing it aubergine. It's aubergine at the outer corner. And then switch to crease, bringing it forward. And apply this to the inner corner. Using this Catrice highlighter and apply at the eyebrow bone. Proceeding to the lower lash, I've already applied the eyeliner and also the eyelashes of Scream. So I'll be using this tingling again on the lower lash. And that's it. That's all for the sharing today. Thank you so much for watching, dears. Which of these 3 eye makeup looks do you like today? Is it the green one, the purple one, or this, the multi-color? Please comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much. And yes, dears, would you like me to do a eye makeup look with, sorry, upside down, with this? This is the ColourPop Blue Moon. I received this week, but I haven't used it yet. Also, if you'd like me to do a makeup look or a review, please comment in the comment section below, yeah? Hopefully, if I receive 5 comments, then I will do a review and also a makeup look. Or you just comment whether you want a review or a makeup look or both. Thank you so much. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. The bigger your heart, the greater your achievements. Easier said than done. Sometimes we attach to little things too much. But let's cultivate together. Cultivate those that we cannot do and improve on that. If you like this video, please help me to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell notification button for my future videos. Thank you! And also check it out my giveaway. Yeah, for quite some time already. Giveaway videos. I will attach it somewhere on the screen. Thank you so much. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful, and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye!